Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 10, Save the Environment. What is environment? Is a place where we all live, which is a natural word. In this, human beings, animals, plants all live together. So, what is environment? Natural word in which human being, animal, plants live along with different non-living things and resources. Our survival, it depends on what? Protection of our environment. It is made up of two components, biotic and abiotic. Biotic, we have living things, and abiotic, we have non-living things. What are biotic components that are living things in the environment, such as human beings, animals, birds, insects, and plants? Living components, what they need? Living components, they need nutrition to grow. Most living components except plants are mobile, which means that they can move from one place to another. They reproduce. वो reproduce भी करते हैं and they give birth to young ones, and all living components grow and die. वो grow करते हैं और die करते हैं. So we have abiotic components, which are non-living things. They are important part of our life. They support living things. Clean air and clean water are the basic need of the people, which is important for the health as well as for the survival. Now we have pollution. Our environment is facing threat due to human action. It is getting polluted day by day. The process of addition of harmful or unpleasant substances into air and water, soil or land is called pollution. Right? The substance that pollute the environment are called pollutants, and the person that pollutes the environment is called pollutant. We have smoke or waste material, for example, that are of pollutants, while human and factories are example of what? Polluters. Now, kinds of pollution. What are the different kinds of pollution? We have air pollution. The mixing of harmful gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, along with dust particle in air causes air pollution. Human activities, industries and vehicles. What are these? These are the main agents of the air pollution. Some natural causes of air pollution are volcanic eruption and forest fire. So trees are the natural purifier. जो क्या करते हैं? It is provided by the environment as they absorb carbon dioxide and release fresh oxygen into environment. But excessive deforestation, अगर आप ज़्यादा deforestation कर रहे हो, the process of purification of air is are dangerous here. Ozone layer is an important factor in stopping the harmful rays of the sun that reach the earth, cause harmful disease like skin problems and even cancer. It is depleting very fast due to overuse of CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon. So we can take some important steps like dependency on burning fossil fuels should be reduced. Cleaner energy resource like solar energy and wind power should be harmed. Vehicular pollution should be controlled. More and more trees should be planted, and burning of plastic waste should be strictly avoided, because what it leads to? It leads to the emission of poisonous gas. Water pollution. When the water source get contaminated, it's called water pollution. It is polluted due to human activities. Industrial and household waste are released into water, which cause pollution. Other activities like washing clothes or bathing animals in river in rural areas also cause water pollution. Polluted water is harmful for living organs, both aquatic and non-aquatic. What it's depend on? Water for survival. Now, ways to stop water pollution. We have different ways so that we can stop water pollution. All chemical waste should be treated and they only disposed of, and disposing of dead bodies and other human waste directly into rivers. बाथिंग और वॉशिंग क्लोथ, बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, बात करता है, क्लोथ्स को वॉश करता है, अपने एनिमल्स को वॉश करवाता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉल्यूटिंग आवर वाटर. Now soil pollution. We cannot survive without food, but a kind of food we get, many contain poisonous substances which are transferred from the chemical fertilizer, pesticides, insecticide, chemical based. When we consume such food, it may cause many deadly disease. Not only this, tons and tons of solid waste are buried under the ground every day, and this is another major cause. Few important steps should be taken immediately. आप क्या कर सकते हो? एक प्रॉपर वेस्ट डिस्पोजल का यूज कर सकते हो. यू मे यूज प्लास्टिक एंड पॉलिथीन आइटम्स दैट शुड बी मिनिमाइज एंड दे शुड नॉट बी बरीड अंडर द ग्राउंड. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer, pesticides, herbicides should be discouraged. In place of this, organic products should be used that they do not pollute the soil and they do not contaminate the food chain. Right? Noise pollution. जो इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज होते हैं, दे आर मोर प्रोन टू नॉइज पोल्यूशन. The pressure of noise in the atmosphere is called sound or noise pollution. Human being can hear the softest sound with an intensity of 20 decibels, which is harmful for human ear. The noise pollution is mainly caused by the vehicle, aeroplanes, loudspeaker machines, and the excessive noise pollution is potential threat not only for the peace and tranquility of our mind but for our health. इससे क्या होता है? It can lead to hearing troubles, blood pressure. सो इमीडिएट स्टेप्स क्या है जिसको जो आप ले सकते हो, इससे आप नॉइज पोल्यूशन को मिनिमाइज कर सकते हो. वी मस्ट नॉट प्ले म्यूजिक वेरी लाउडली. वी शुड नॉट encourage blaring loudspeaker in public functions and celebration. We must discourage the use of excessive honking of the horns while driving. Some people, you know that what they use pressure horns in vehicle for fun. This is not only illegal but only a reason for ट्रबल टू अदर्स. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? ट्रबल कर रहे हैं, परेशान कर रहे हैं दूसरों को. नाउ वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, हाउ यू कैन मैनेज द वेस्ट. It is important today that we take sincere initiative to contribute towards curbing pollution. Waste can be classified as waste biodegradable भी होता है, non biodegradable. So it is important to understand that the 3 R's theory of waste management, which stands for reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce means what you are doing. We must try to reduce the use of non-renewable natural energy, the fossil fuels to the minimum. It would help in reducing air pollution. Our resources are too limited to be wasted. Then we have reuse. We must try to reuse the manufactured product as much as possible, because what you are producing, new item that would consume more energy. The pens we use today are mostly never refilled. Once used, we throw them and buy new ones. But it should be kept in mind that they are made up of plastic. Recycle, we must try to recycle as much as we can. Most of the recycled products like paper, plastic should never be disposed of, and they should be disposed of by the recyclable waste. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.